pet lover will agree, cats and dogs are soothing, sweet, silly, and most of all, get bored fast. And here's the thing, most busy people today don't spend nearly as much time with their pets as they should. The results when you leave a dog or cat home alone with nothing to do but stew and meow? Categorically catastrophic. Surely there's got to be something we humans can invent to distract Fluffy from taste testing that brand new shoe or rearranging the bookshelf while we're away. So, a team of engineers got together to create a device that would play with pets when their owner wasn't home, keeping them in shape and out of trouble. Feelic was born, the world's first toy that literally plays with your pet. Feelic uses real artificial intelligence that takes advantage of your critter's adorable curiosity, giving them the activity and exercise they need every day, even when you're away. Feelic is, in a word, pawsome. The most advanced laser pet toy ever developed, Feelic tracks one or more animals as they move through a room and, using cutting-edge AI, reacts 8 times faster than a human. For furry fun, that's better than a bowl of mice cream. Feelic is so easy to set up and so fun to hunt, you'll feel like the cat who ate the canary, without all those messy feathers. You can remotely monitor your pets with Feelic too, and even control the pointer remotely if you feel like being a little fiendish with your 4-legged friend. So, fellow pet owners, here's the deal. Feelic is actually operational, field-tested and production-ready. 500 of them have already been sent out, in fact. And our team's got the injection moulding tooling, casting tooling, sheet metal, electronics, certifications and software for producing more, right meow. We just need to raise capital to do that for the poor materials, assembly, inspection, packaging and manpower. So please take a look at our entire campaign page, pick a perks package that fits your budget best, and get a fantastic deal on the world's first AI-powered toy that literally plays with your pet, Feelic.
My name is William Wapesco, and this is my dog's Clovis' butt. Shall we start again? As a dog owner, your dog's safety is your #1 concern. And that's why we created the PubCom, the award-winning portable monitor to always know your dog is safe in all environments. Clovis and I love going hiking in our beautiful mountains here in Colorado, but I sometimes worry about having to stop somewhere on the way home where he'd have to wait for me in the car, whether it's a gas station, a grocery store, or a sandwich shop. The PubCom is a palm-sized device that includes all of the features that you need for your peace of mind. It monitors the temperature and humidity around your dog, and it also has a microphone so you can know if your dog is barking, whining, or otherwise in distress. The PubCom transmits all of this data directly to an app on your smartphone, so you can check on your dog and get alerts about any changes long before they become problems. Our app will alert you about any changes to your dog's environment 10 degrees before it actually gets to a temperature that's dangerous, so that you have plenty of time to get back before your dog is actually in any danger. If you need to leave your dog in your vehicle, the PubCom comes with our unique system so that anyone who's walking by and sees your dog in the car can check on them and know they're safe without smashing your car's windows. By backing our campaign, you'll have the peace of mind to always know that your dog is safe and comfortable, no matter where life's adventures together may take you.
This is your dog. This is your life. And this is your life with your pet made a whole lot easier with Wayzen, a device that converts your sliding back door into a secure app-controlled pet door. So while mom's at work and dad's, well, busy, Wayzen puts the power of using the sliding door into the paws of your pets. No more expensive sitters, no more interruptions, no more accidents in the house, no more worries. Traditional pet doors are ugly, cause permanent damage, and are a serious security hazard. Wayzen just takes 3 minutes to install your sliding door, working with all standard sizes and styles. No damage, no costly professional installation, no eyesore. And it acts as a secure lock to your home, easily disappearing whenever you need it to. Wayzen detects your pet at the door and sends you a notification so you can let them in or out. And when you're at home, you have the auto open option, doing the work for you. Wayzen even works with your smart speakers and cameras like Alexa and Nest. So when you're away, you'll see when your pet's ready to come back in on your mobile device. When your hands are tied, you can use your smart speaker to open the door. Locked out? No need for a hide-a-key. Wayzen allows you to get into your home with your smartphone. Wayzen's safe, affordable, and secure, keeping your day's schedule on track while bringing freedom to you and your pet. Learn more today at Wayzen.com.
Verum Pet Fitness is a robot designed to keep your pet healthy. It plays with your dog by automatically zooming around the room, interacting with your dog, and dispensing treats. It's a fun and hands-free way to keep your dog sharp and active all day. And Verum Pet Fitness is smart too. With automatic obstacle avoidance, you don't ever have to worry about it getting stuck. It can dodge anything in its way and drive over large obstacles. And with its tough construction, Verum Pet Fitness can go over carpet with ease and take a hit like a champ. And it's smart enough to know when your pet is no longer close. And cute enough to get your dog playing again. As a pet owner, I know how important it is to keep my dog physically active. Not only does it keep his body strong, but it stimulates his mind, helping reduce the risk of lethargy and depression. As the owner, you decide when your dog needs to be active, how many treats they can have, and how long they need to play. That way, you can always have peace of mind knowing that your pet isn't bored at home. I love having Verum Pet Fitness at home on those long days in the office. Knowing that there's a toy that gets Lincoln up and moving in a fun way and rewards him is so valuable to me. Verum Pet Fitness can be remote controlled through the app, allowing you to interact with your pet directly. You can choose a route for Verum Pet Fitness to follow, or you can create your own patterns for the bot to follow, making sure your dog is always getting a new experience. It's IPX4 water resistant, so it can survive everything your pet throws at it. We've also made sure to use durable, FDA-approved materials in its construction to make sure that it can withstand rough housing while always being safe for your pet. Not to mention, easy to keep clean. And Verum Pet Fitness takes any kind of treat you prefer as long as it fits. At the end of the day, we created Verum Pet Fitness to be a fun, safe way for your pet to get exercise. Its patent-pending design and high-tech abilities make it the perfect way to keep up on your pet's fitness, whether you're home or not.
I love Verum Pet Fitness, and Duke loves it too. Whenever I'm not home, he's always chasing that thing around. He loves the harness with the feathers.
With Verum Pet Fitness, I don't always have to worry about making sure I go on a walk with Lou every day. Sometimes it's just so hard to get there when I have an 8-hour day and then I come home and I just don't have any energy. But when I put Verum up, I can set it up on automatic and I can look at the stats and see how far she's walked and how many treats she's got throughout the day. It really takes a lot of pressure off me.
You can monitor your pet's activities on the app and even compare with your friends and keep track of your fitness history as well. We have working prototypes and secured manufacturing avenues. We simply need your help to begin production. So bring a new friend for your dog into your home by backing us today. Verum Pet Fitness is designed to be your pet's best friend for a lifetime.
Behold, The litter box to end all litter boxes. Say hello to Footloose, the amazing automatic litter box and feline health tracker. Its rotating chamber gently sifts out clumps, preventing them from clogging or breaking off into debris. Once all the droppings are gone, the unused litter is cycled back into the chamber, ready for next time. This whole process takes just 90 seconds. And as for the odor, what odor? The waste receptacle is airtight and equipped with internal filters that control the smell. Smells like world domination. And when the waste receptacle is full, Footloose even sends you an alert. Just remove the bag, throw it away, and that's it. Cleaning all the devilish droppings delicately defecated by your cat is now easier than ever. No more searching, shoveling, or sifting. What used to be a 10-minute daily chore now takes 2 minutes a week. But Footloose is more than just a litter box. It can also be a lifesaver. Cats often hide their pain, making it difficult to detect health problems. Luckily for you, potty behavior is a telltale sign that something's wrong. Footloose uses weight sensor to detect which cat is using it. It collects important data like when it happened, how long it took, and how much. Holy moly, Mr. Noodles. 10 visits to the box and no urine? Time for the vet. Ever since I upgraded to Footloose, I've got so much free time, I can finally finish my album. To tell you the truth, I put the foot in the loose. Now when your kitty goes poop, you can just watch it go poof. Easy to change out the bag, ain't gotta worry about smell. Sending alerts to my app, stay up to date with the health. I swear I got so much free time. I'm so in love with my me time. I'm giving the scoopers the peace sign. I'm doing it all for the felines.
The nicest box I've ever used. Headroom and privacy for days.
You know what's my favorite litter? Definitely corn. But Footloose will work with any type.
Motion detection to keep cats and children safe? How thoughtful!
So if you love your cat but hate shoveling poop, back us today and you'll be the first to receive the Footloose at an exclusive discounted price. But if this deal were any better, it'd be a steal. But seriously, it's a great product.